Now I'm expecting that this resistance will become support, and these are not very clear confirmation. That's why I'm not placing any trade out. This resistance becomes a support. The reason why it becomes support, once price reach here, if price does not give any breakout, I will use it for a reversal trade. Hello traders, welcome back to my $100 trading challenge series. This is day 49. Right now my balance is $52,552. Let's see how much we can grow it today. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I am analyzing odd USD chart and I have a trading opportunity here. Price recently gave a breakout from a major resistance zone, and now I am expecting that this resistance will become support and we will have a trading opportunity from this zone in the upside direction. Now as the price is going up, I will wait for the price to fall and hit this zone. Once price reach here, I will look for reversal confirmation and will place my trade. This is the exact wick rejection level and I'm using the body level to create the zone. Let's wait now for the retest of this newly formed support level. Let's wait now. Price hit the support level. Now it's time to wait for the rejection candle because this is the retest phase. Now we need a strong bullish reversal pattern to place a trade. This is the liquidity zone according to me. If price fall, the chances of reversal are high because the price is falling just to grab liquidity from retail traders. I'm waiting for a clear confirmation. These are not very clear confirmation, that's why I'm not placing any trade. Okay, now we get rejected back. I will wait patiently for the price to fall again and will wait for another clear confirmation candle. Okay, price is falling. Let's wait now for another confirmation, and yes, that's the confirmation, and I have placed the first trade of today's session in the upside direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. Previously, when I open this chart, I draw this resistance zone because it was previously rejecting the price from going in the upside direction. When price gave this breakout, this resistance becomes a support. The reason why it becomes support and why I was expecting a reversal here is because traders who are placing buy orders after seeing this breakout will place their stop losses at this support level. They will think that this resistance is broken, so this is their stop loss zone, and that's why price reverses. It hit their stop losses, and then after grabbing the liquidity, after taking the stop losses, it usually reverses. That is the main reason why I was expecting a reversal from this zone. And you can see same thing happened. Price reverses after hitting this support zone because this is a support zone. It becomes a support because most traders who are trading because of this breakout will place their stop losses here. So price fall. And on 5-second chart, you can see that price started showing buying confirmation. This was a clear sign that price will reverse because this is the liquidity zone. The price was reversing so that it can hit stop losses of retail traders, and that was the reason why I was expecting a reversal. So today we have taken first trade. This was the first trade of today's session. Last 2 days I did not took any trade because the market situation was not really good. So I avoided placing any trade and I didn't took any trading session. This is Wednesday and today I am taking the first trade of this week. Let's take one more trade, and because as we are very close to our 50 days target, I don't want to risk more. I just want to close at least our 50,000, which we already achieved. So let's take one more trade. Let me find a good trading opportunity. We can actually use this resistance which is recently formed. So let's wait now for the price to go up. Once price reach here, if price does not give any breakout, I will use it for a reversal trade. Let's wait now. I'm not going to use this support level at all. Price hit the resistance zone, and now I will wait for this 1 minute candle to close. If it closes without breaking this level, I will expect a reversal. Let's open the 5-second chart, because on 5-second chart we will need a bearish reversal confirmation. The 1 minute closes here, so there is no breakout. I'm expecting a reversal here. I need strong selling confirmation now, and yes, that's the confirmation. I have placed the second trade in the downward direction. Let me explain you the logic behind this trade. So the reason why I took a trade in the downward direction is because this was a resistance which previously pushes the price in the downward direction. So this is a selling zone according to me. When price approaches this zone again, if the buyers are not strong enough to break this zone, it means we can expect that sellers will take control again and will reverse the price. In this case, when price was going up, you can see this 1 minute candle failed to break above this resistance, which previously was working as a place where sellers are pushing the price in the downward direction. So the buyers failed to break this zone, which means we can expect that sellers will take control of the price and they will push the price in the downward direction. To place a trade, I needed selling confirmation, because we are placing trade when we have surety that the sellers are going to push. As buyers failed to break this zone, we needed a selling confirmation, as this is a selling zone. This candle gave a strong indication that price will reverse. So I took the trade and we booked profit. But ultimately, as the trend is uptrend, the price will going to break this zone at some point. But our analysis and our strategy suggests that if price is not breaking a recently formed support or resistance, we can expect a reversal, because this is newly formed resistance and sellers are active here. And that's why I took this trade and we booked profit, and still the price failed to break this zone. So according to this strategy, you just have to wait for the price to close, the 1 minute candle to close without breaking the newly formed strong support or resistance, and by using 5-second chart for confirmation and entry, you can place a 1 minute expiry trade, which I did here. You can also place trade here, because here this is also a good confirmation. Previous history shows sellers were trying to reverse, and then we have strong confirmation. So I have taken 2 trades and I will end the session here, because if I take further trade and if I lose that trade, I will go down in this balance, which I don't want. We already made 2 successful trades, and this week the situation of the market is not really good. That's why I'm closing this session with 2 trades only, and I hope that you have learned the concept that I taught in this particular session. I took 2 trades, one using the liquidity zone, which previously was working as a resistance which becomes support, and one from the recently formed resistance, in which the closing was inside the zone and there was no breakout. So I expected a reversal and took the trade, and finally made profit in both the trades. So that is it for today. We'll see you in the next video, which is on day 50. So let's hope for the best and let's try to take the session tomorrow. And if not, then I will surely going to take trades on Friday so that we can end this challenge. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.